How to use and redeem M&S gift card online. In order to redeem Marks & Spencer gift card online, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and then open up a web browser of your choice. After that, on the web address bar, type in www.marksandspencer.com and this is going to take you to the official web page of M&S. So this is how the interface is going to look like. In the upper right hand side corner, click on the sign in button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. So how you can actually redeem your gift card is that by using it as a way of purchasing a product. So what you need to do is you need to log in into your account. After that, you need to select the product you wish to purchase. Now let's go with any of these following options. Just for the video's purpose, I'm going to be selecting a random product. Now let's see that I'm going to go with the cardigans. So select the product accordingly, and after that select the price, quality, type, color and all that necessary details. Done selecting the product, click on add to bag, which is right at the bottom. You also need to select the size. As you can see that the product has been added. If you want to continue shopping, then click on continue shopping. You can go on adding product to your cart. Proceed on with the checkout process by tapping on the checkout button. Now this is going to take you to the summary page where you'll be able to see all of the information regarding your product. So after you've selected the product, now what you need to do is you need to tap on see next step, which is right over here. Now that you're on this page, you need to enter in your delivery method, and after that you also need to enter in your billing address and all that. Once you've done that, you need to move on with the step number 4, which is a payment method itself. Right over here, what you need to do is you need to enter in your redemption code instead of your credit card. So after you enter in your redemption code, you'll get a certain amount of discount. So that is how you can redeem a gift card of M&S or Marks & Spencer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.